Alright, you are welcome again. We are still talking about limits that leads to indeterminate form. Alright, let's consider this question. Use L'Hopital's rule to evaluate the limit if it exists. Lim as x approaches infinity, x raised to power exponent x raised to power exponential minus x, or x raised to power e raised to power minus x. Okay, now let's go. We're going to say let y equal to x raised to power exponential minus x. Okay, so here we're going to take the natural log on both sides. That means we're going to have ln y is equal to ln x raised to power exponential minus x. Okay, so we're going to take this exponential raised to power minus x down. That means we're going to have exponential raised to power minus x ln x. Okay, now from here let's take the limit on both sides. That means we're going to have lim as x approaches infinity, ln y is equal to lim as x approaches infinity exponential raised to power minus x in x. You get it right? Yes. Now this exponential raised to power minus x can be written as 1 all over exponential x. Okay, so when you say 1 all over exponential x multiplied by ln x, is going to give us ln x all over exponential x. That means we're having lim as x approaches infinity, ln x all over exponential x. Okay, now let's go. Let's differentiate. When we differentiate, we're going to have 1 all over x all over exponential x. So here we have limit as x approaches infinity, 1 all over x all over exponential x. So when we plug in our value as x approaches infinity is equal to 0. All right, so we have evaluate the right hand side, and then the right hand side is giving us 0. So the left hand side now we're going to have lim open bracket limit as x approaches infinity, y is equal to the right hand side 0. Okay, so what do we say that our y is? Our y is x raised to power exponential raised to power minus x. Now we take the natural log from the initial, so let's take the anti-log to remove the natural log. So that means we're going to have exponential raised to power lim open bracket limit as x approaches infinity, x raised to power exponential minus x, okay, equal to exponential raised to power 0. So here we're going to have limit as x approaches infinity, x raised to power exponential minus x is equal to e raised to power 0, which is equal to what? 1. So we have solved, we have simplified using L'Hopital's rule, and we say that the lim as x approaches infinity, x raised to power e raised to power minus x is equal to 1. All right, yes, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please, let's keep practicing and keep watching. All right, yes.